Ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, welcome to the 21st edition of the Prague Workshop.
According to my knowledge and experiences, it is pretty much unique.
It's one of the best workshops in the world, I say.
To see a live case is very important for you.
Some of the biggest names in electrophysiology have been here at this conference. I think there's no other conference in the world like it.
There's no substitute for really seeing it firsthand.
It's real life, it's not fake.
Gelecek yıla sizleri görmeyi bekliyorum.
Aš norėčiau ir planuoju atvažiuoti čia dar kartą.
We are eagerly looking forward to the 22nd symposium here in Prague.
Nie mogę się doczekać, żeby przyjechać za rok.
来年のワークショップも楽しみにしてます。
Už teraz sa teším na budúci ročník.
Men dagın kelgim keledi.
Mecce happy this.
And certainly I'm looking forward to come next time.
我很希望明年再次回到布拉格参加这个会议。谢谢。
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite you to the 22nd edition of the Prague Workshop, which will take place in mid-April 2019.